If you're looking for the proper way to fold up your North Face duffel to fit it back in the storage bag, I'm going to show you how. First up, you need to crease both sides along the middle so that it folds down into itself. I like to zip it up a little on the sides, but leave some of it open so the air can escape. Once you've got it laying nice and flat, you're going to stand up the sides and fold them in. You can reach inside and help to straighten out the ends so that they fold better. Once you get those straightened out, it should look something like this. Then you're just going to fold it in the middle. And you've got the basic shape there now. Just work out the corners, flatten those out the best you can. That's going to make it slide into the bag easier. I like to get the back side started first, then flip it over and work on the front. Then you can just tuck in all the straps. And you've got it back in its storage bag. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, you know what to do. If you like deals on outdoor gear, be sure to check out GearChase.com, where we search hundreds of online retailers to find the best deals on outdoor gear. The link to that will be provided below.